Hi, everybody. My name is Yvonne Ellis. I live in New Jersey. And this is probably my fourth or fifth class in my MSW program. Anyway, I've just appeared to introduce myself and answer these questions. My experience with learning research is I really don't like doing research. I want all the answers to come easy. I don't want to have to dig for them. I want, if I go someplace to find an answer, I want it to just pop up. But I noticed on one of my last projects that we had to go out and do some research, and there's a point between making the decision to go out and actually doing it that I really freak out around. But once I'm out there, I really get involved in the project. Excuse me. My second question is, what would make learning fun for me? And I'm praying that this course really teaches me how to have fun researching. One thing I do like though is learning through other people when we're throwing ideas off of each other. I really like that. And after viewing the syllabus, what excites me about the course is the use of technology. I really love using technology. So I'm really excited. Glad to meet everybody. And have a great night.